challenge with y'all. I'm asking y'all to run the rock up to set the stage. Don't want to know this. And let's say it.
These lines that I wrote these 2 lines to you. getting high. Some sniffing cocaine, some get high. Beating the sunshine in the pipe, some get high. Jamming sesame and cake, then go west to watch the sunset as the winds that fade. The sun, oh, that little bitty cottage in the grill. I wrote these new lines, said I wrote these lines to you. And from a little cottage in the grill, yeah, I realize I know. Come on, be a slide. Way down in the grill. I love you still, baby. And you bring me joy in the morning time. I wrote these lines. Oh, from a little cottage in the grill. Said I wrote this line. Lines to you, and from a little cottage in the grill. Outside, I realize that I love you still. Yes, So, moving on. So, man, just want to big up all of the patrons here coming out in numbers. Luton Fyah. So, don't go. Want you to stay, yeah. Don't go, baby. Don't go. I want you. Now that I'm lost, everybody up. One more time on the top. Don't go, baby. Don't leave me. Stay right here. Yeah. Don't go. And leave me behind. No. Now that I've lost everything to you, so you wanna start something new, and it's breaking my heart you're leaving. Baby, I'm breathing, but if you wanna leave, please don't care. Hope you find a lot of nice things to wear, and a lot of nice things to bad out there. Alright, and oh baby, it's a wide world. I think goodbye, just a border. No, the coward. And oh baby, it's a wide world. I'll always remember you like a child, girl. You know I've seen a lot of what the world can do, and it's breaking my heart in two. See, I never wanna see you sad, girl. Tell me a bad girl, but if you wanna leave, take good care. Hope you find a lot of nice friends out there. Then a lot of nice friends turn bad out there. And oh baby, it's a lie. Oh love, hard to get by. Just I wanna smile, yeah. And oh baby, it's a wild world. I'll always remember you like a child, girl. Luton Fyah. This world is so wide. Stay in love. What is the confusion? What is the right? Slap tight. You know you don't know what the world can do, and it's breaking my heart in two. You see, I never wanna see you sad, girl. Tell me you're bad, girl, but if you wanna leave, take good care. Hope you find a lot of nice friends out there. Get a lot of nice friends to play. And oh, baby, 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 baby. Your body for a smile. Yes, yes, yeah. And oh, baby, baby, it's a wild bird. I'll always remember you like a child. Come on. And oh, baby, baby, it's a wild world. I think we can do it. Outside now. And oh, baby, baby, it's a wild. Crazy, I love it, I love it. This final song, pick to your legs and your heart. So if you know it, let's sing along. They say I'm flirting on down. You just can't take it anymore. Friends say I'm no good for you, but in my heart I'm so true. A partner for life you can. Luton Fyah, you raised me for some time to clear your mind. Yeah. What did you look for? They say I'm flirting, no, no. You just can't take it anymore. We've been a share of bad times to hurting each other. Me and you brought us much closer in the air. Raised me for some time to clear your mind. I stayed away there so much without your touch. Now I'm back, I'm saying just a little bit longer. Oh, my love keeps growing stronger. A little more time to say, but in my head I love it so please. Come on, just a little bit longer, baby. Oh, my love keeps growing stronger. A little more time to say, but in my head I saw things for you and me. Forever, memories that bring the tears of joy. We had our share of bad times to hurt each other. Me and you brought us much closer in the air. It's just too much we both fought for. You put it all down the drain. I stayed away just for a while, but now you're driving me insane. Just a little bit longer, baby. Oh, my love keeps growing stronger. A little more time to say, but in my head I love it so please. Just a little bit longer, baby. Oh, my love keeps growing stronger. A little more time to say, but in my head I love things with you and me. Join me aside. Say all there is to say now, hoping that you make me stay. Believe me, I'm yearning for you, girl. Hope there's a place in your heart that remembers the good from the start. Just put me back where I belong. You raised me for some time, clear your mind. I stayed away, it hurt so much, without alcohol. It's just a little bit longer, baby. Oh, my love keeps growing stronger. A little more time to say, but in my head I love it so praise. Come on, just a little bit longer, and so will. Oh, my love keeps growing Hey, this is no disrespect, no disrespect, no disrespect. Watch it. Step aside now, another man wants to take over. Cause you don't know what you got, and now it's time to lose her. Step aside now, and let me show you how to treat your woman. She needs a tender touch, she needs loving her so much. Now tell me, are you crazy? Leaving her so long, so lonely. Now she's a winner, so you better protect her. Cause when feeling blue, don't know what to do. She will come from you. She's the dream come true. She will be your friend when you think that it's the end. She's always around, always around. Sure. Should I have faith in you? Or should I put my trust in you? Or should you let me down? Or should I float around? Why must I think this way? Thinking that you're going away. There ain't no chance to stay together anymore. Am I to go on now, living this way? Acting like a child so young and gay. You don't know what it means to be loved. You don't know how it feels to be loved. No, 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 no. Look it up for me, Banton. Look it up for me. Luton Fyah man, big up yourself. Sure. Bushy, big up yourself. Big up yourself, brother. Now, on behalf of all of them patrons, to the artists, support live music. Dennis Brown, Alton, John Road, Delroy, they will come to just radio play, throwing up the stage. And the fans and the people who follow them all around to the dance hall and support them and turn them into kings and legends to icons. So big up and respect live music. My name is Clancy Jr. Thank you! Yeah! Sure.